Alright, hello everyone. This is my first unboxing video. This is from Eloquii. I might order a lot of stuff from them. We're unboxing in the car on my way to get something to eat. But these are just a few of the items. I have some more items that are coming. This cream, what is this called? It's got a little chain. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. Like I said, I'm gonna have to try this on because I thought the material would be, it's soft, but it has the lines in it, so I was expecting it to be smooth, but I'll see. Let's try it on with some jeans. That is called the chain detail top. I was expecting to be white, but I'm kind of glad it's not white. This is the black asymmetric top. So you guys can see pictures of what some of this stuff looks like. But yeah, that's kind of what that looks like. It's asymmetric. It's long. It's kind of like a tunic top. You can probably wear this with some leggings. I could put some leather leggings on with that. Yeah, I just thought about that. And then this is my favorite one. I ordered this before. And for some reason I sent it back. I think I wanted a bigger size, but I actually think this size would be better. But this is the turtleneck mesh dress. It is, there have a lot, there's another one, but this one is called something with art. They had this collection with black and white swirls, kind of like art painting. But I really like this dress. This is probably something I'm gonna try to wear before it gets warm, which doesn't look like it'll be soon because it's 34 degrees and it's raining. But like I said, I'm expecting some more things to come. I'm also going to have a unboxing also for some Jordans, some Jordan 1s. I think they're Elevate. I'll give you more information. But yeah, this is my first unboxing and I'm in the car. But I hope you enjoyed the video. And you may see another video of me trying these on. And bye-bye. Enjoy your night. Thank you.